Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming OS and app version so you know which certificate will work. Back up your app data to avoid loss, then remove the revoked install. Once done, download the replacement package or official update and make sure your signing certificate is valid for this build. If you use a provisioning profile, verify its expiration date now. These initial checks prevent repeating the revoke cycle and set you up to re-sign or reinstall cleanly. You will re-sign the package using a valid developer certificate because a revoked signature is the usual cause. Export or import the certificate into your signing tool, then apply it to the IPA or APK. Once signed, install using xcode/altstore/sideloadly for iOS or ADB for Android. These tools preserve required entitlements. Make sure to grant necessary permissions during first run. If permission prompts fail, revoke. You finish by launching the app and exercising core features to confirm success. If the app still appears revoked, inspect the certificate chain and device trust settings because an intermediate or root may be blocked. Once done, clear any cached provisioning profiles and reinstall the correct profile, and make sure to restart the device to apply trust changes. If problems persist, reissue the certificate or obtain an official update. This one key troubleshooting step often resolves lingering revoke states.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.